Hello there. This will be part 2 of Bull 1911 single stack pistol review, and today we're going to shoot the thing. We got here some 7 types of ammo. We got a MagTac, Cellar Ballet, we got a PPU, we got a Winchester, IMI, some Limit, and some Fiocchi. Now, I've preloaded the 4 mags and others I have here. Okay, so here we go. Those 3 are from here. If any brand will have some hiccup, I will report it, but long story short, let's shoot that thing. Okay, first brand, PPU. We got a target at 8 and we got a target at 15. Let's go for a 15. Okay, mag out, slide stop work. Let's take one from Cellar Ballet. Yep, that worked. Let's take one from MagTac. And I've reloaded the mag with IMI. Let's have one from the Limit and reload with the MagTac. Okay, that worked as well. Let's have some Fiocchi. Reload with some PPU. Let's take some IMI and reload with the MagTac. Okay, now all the reloads worked. Never jammed. Slide stop worked. Let's have some MagTac. Yeah, shoot 2 rounds with a slide stop and have it reload with the PPU. Okay, I'm shooting 15 meters. Okay, have some that's actually Cellar Ballet. And reload with 2 rounds of MagTac. Okay, let's see the target. Okay, except for a couple of Charlies. Mainly we got an A zone. Again, I was working on 15 meters, and that's a brand new gun for me. Not bad result. So this baby is actually can do this with the reloads, and not a slow paced, but actually a medium paced, and doing the reloads. Okay, let's get back to a 7 yards. Okay, and do some measurements with splits. Okay, actually let's take a fresh target over here. Okay, let's get back. Shooting MagTac, reloading with a MagTac. Let's see that draw and first shot. I'm ready. Double alpha. We got a draw 151, way too slow, and 0.20 of the second shot. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Okay, we got Alpha Charlie. The draw is 125, second shot is 22. I'm ready. We got a double alpha. We got a draw of 110, 0.2 second shot. Let's get some fast double taps here and disregard the hits for a second, just to see how fast the cycle can go with a single stack with that heavy slide. I'm ready. Okay, we got actually Alpha Delta. 112 on the first shot. The double tap was 0.18. I'm ready. Oh, okay. Okay, we got Charlie Delta. And 116 the first shot, and 0.12. That's how fast the gun can go. 0.12. Not bad for a not cut slide. Just a standard 1911. Okay. Let's do some first shot. Okay, and reload from a slide stop. So a shot, reload, slide stop, a shot. I'm ready. Double alpha. Okay.